So far, we've focused on Zotero for use in independent research. But what about group assignments or other projects with a collaborative aspect? This time, we will look at Zotero's online functionality and how you can share and modify resource collections using groups. In our Getting Started with Zotero video, we go over the process of registering for an account on Zotero.org. You'll need a Zotero.org account to access all the features mentioned in this video. Once you have an account, you can log in from the main page of Zotero.org. This will open up your Zotero web library. If you've just created your account, your web library will be empty and look like this. We'll come back to this interface later in the video. Click on the Groups tab to navigate to the page about Zotero Groups. Here you can create, manage, and search for Zotero Groups. Let's start by creating a new group by clicking Create a New Group. On the New Group page, there is a field for the group name and some options for group type. The group type will affect the group's visibility, as well as who may join. A public open membership will allow any Zotero user to find and join your group. This may be beneficial if you have a large number of people who need to add many resources quickly, and you aren't worried about restricting membership. A public closed membership will allow any Zotero user to find the group, but they'll need permission or an invitation to join. This is useful if you want people to be able to find the group easily, but need to restrict membership to trusted users. A private membership group can only be accessed by invitation and is not visible to others. If you select this group type, you don't need a unique name, as the group URL will be randomly generated. This is the most restricted level of visibility possible and may be appropriate for reasons of privacy or confidentiality. The group name can be anything but must be unique, as it will be used to generate a URL to access the resource collection from Zotero.org. Once you've created a group, you'll be able to see it under the Zotero Groups tab, and from here you can add information to the group's profile, manage the members, or change the group library's settings. To invite someone to your group, click Members Settings and then Send More Invitations. Enter the email addresses or Zotero.org usernames of whomever you wish to invite to the group. Now that we have our group set up, let's return to the Zotero web library by clicking the Web Library tab. You can see that the group library appears in the left-hand list. You can drag resources from your personal library directly onto the group library from this interface. To access group libraries through the Zotero app, you'll need to enable data syncing. To do this, go to the Zotero app's Preferences, navigate to the Sync tab, enter your Zotero.org credentials, and click Set Up Syncing. Zotero groups are a great way to gather, share, and organize resources in a group, and the Zotero.org web library ensures that you can have access to these resources anywhere. Happy researching!